Hi, everybody. We're here on the exhibit floor here at WEFTEC 2011. We've stopped by the ADS booth and are having a chance to talk about some products with Pat Stevens. If you would, Pat, for those that don't know who you are and about your company, how about a little bit about your company?
Okay, my name is Pat Stevens. I'm Vice President of Engineering for the ADS Environmental Services, and our company specializes in doing infrastructure work for both collection systems and water. So we find water that leaks into sewer systems, and we find water that leaks out of potable water systems.
Oh, okay, that makes sense. Well, it looks like you've got a great display here. If you wouldn't mind, just kind of walk us through maybe some scenarios and some of the solutions your companies provide.
Okay, what I'm going to show you here is a new product that we have, flow metering. It's an open channel flow meter, and for those who don't know, flow monitors operate by measuring depth and velocity in a sewer, and we calculate the flow rate. So I'm going to show you here two different kinds of ways that that's done.
Okay.
And there are two sensors. One is mounting at the top of the pipe, and it's measuring the depth by looking down at the surface. There is another sensor here at the bottom that operates by working under the water and shooting up to the top to measure the depth and velocity. So those two work at different times, different places, and for different applications. And I'll show you a little close-up of how these work.
Okay.
For example, here is one. This is the one that fits at the top of the pipe, and these four sensors are aiming down at the water surface. They're ultrasonic sensors, and they just fire a pulse down and listen for the echo to come back, and they just measure the time. And that determines the distance from the top of the pipe to the water. That's how we measure the depth. This turns out to be very precise. It actually comes from the space program in NASA, where our headquarters are located. And it's very hardy, and it makes very precise measurements, and it's probably the leader in measuring depth in wastewater flow.
Oh,
so that's how this one works.
Okay.
The second one is a little different. It fits at the bottom of the pipe, and this works completely underwater, and it's measuring depth by shooting an ultrasonic up, and it's got like a police radar at the front, and it looks at particles coming by the same way a cop would measure speed from a car.
Sure.
And it measures velocity. So these two work, and these are smaller pipes, those are larger pipes, and they can pretty much measure flow in any kind of pipe that a customer has in a sewer.
Now, this is, you said a lot of your work is with municipalities.
It is, almost all with municipalities. They own most of the sewers in the United States, but we do a lot of work on military reservations and military bases where they have sewer systems as well.
Oh, that's outstanding. Well, folks that are looking for more information about your company or this particular product, what website should they go to?
That's adsenv.com. That stands for ADS Environmental, and all of our products are listed there, and everything you see here in the booth.
Oh, that's outstanding. Well, it looks like it's been a really, really great show. The trade show floor here is busy, so we'll have more great exhibits here to come from the 2011 WEFTEC convention here in Los Angeles.